A retired AFD firefighter who's battled cancer is now battling this city in court. KXAN investigator Kylie McGivern joins us with an in-depth look at this case and the precedent it could set. Kylie?
Yes, Sydney, this attorney who filed the lawsuit points to a state law passed in 2005 that says a firefighter suffering from certain types of cancer is presumed to have developed cancer during the course of employment. Acknowledging that connection is one thing. Paying those firefighters is another.
I loved going to work every day.
A love that came with heartbreak after 17 years as a firefighter.
It was stomach cancer, and it had spread throughout my abdomen.
The city says retired firefighter Crockett Foster missed the state deadline to file workers' comp within 1 year of his diagnosis.
At the time, when the union tried to file for me as workers' comp, they were told that cancer was not covered under that, and we couldn't file.
It wasn't until years later, in 2015, that studies determined firefighters have a much higher risk of developing cancer, 68%, compared to 22% for the rest of us. So Foster filed.
I wanted them to cover my costs, and they didn't.
They're banking on a technicality rather than doing the right thing.
Bob Nix is president of the Austin Firefighters Association.
It's gotten to the point where it's just absurd. There's strong evidence, scientific evidence, of causation between cancer and the job of firefighting. It's reflected in our presumptive state laws.
But Nick says in the 12 years since the law was adopted, he has yet to see it in practice.
The city has a blanket policy to deny every workers' comp claim when it comes to cancer for firefighters, regardless of the circumstances.
And that is in writing.
That's stated in meetings.
We know we're in a dangerous profession, but that doesn't mean we willingly want to be injured or sick, and we want to be taken care of. We want help.
And we brought the concern straight to city officials, who responded saying they have no blanket policy. We're told a third-party administrator evaluates each workers' comp claim individually and follows the processes mandated by state law. As for the lawsuit, the city says it is prepared to defend the denial of coverage decision. Sydney?